Hello, I'm Mr. B, and I'm here to talk about graphing systems of linear inequalities, okay? A system is just two inequalities graphed on the same coordinate grid. It's just like graphing equations, except we're going to use the inequality rules, all right? We've already graphed each separate inequalities, but both inequalities now will be graphed on the same coordinate grid. So we know if I'm graphing y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 4, this is slope-intercept form, so I'm literally going to graph the y-intercept, which is 1, 2, 3, negative 4. Slope of 3 is 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. So we'll go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. All right, there's an equal to sign on here, which tells me that my line must be solid, okay? So just a nice solid line like you're used to, look at something like this, but straighter, okay? That's my line. That's the first part of it. The next part of it is noting that this is a greater than sign. So in slope-intercept form, if I have a greater than sign, I know that I'm going to be graphing above the line. This is below, this is above. Also, I can use a test point, like 0, 0. I could plug it in for x and y. If it's true, that's the side I graph on, or shade on. But in slope-intercept form, I could simply grab or shade in this, because this is above our blue line. So the part that's shaded, all of this, are solutions to this single inequality. All right, that's the blue line and everything above, okay? Now we're gonna graph the second one. Y is less than or equal, y is less than negative 1/3 x plus 4. Same thing, let's graph the y-intercept, which is 1, 2, 3, positive 4. And our slope is negative 1 over 3. That's down 1 over 3. It's down 1 over 1, 2, 3. Down 1 over 1, 1, 2, 3. I could also go up 1 over 1, 2, 3 this way. All right, for this one, it's a less than sign. There's no equal to, so what does that mean? That's right, we're gonna have a dotted line or a dashed line. So make it dashed. Okay, not that straight, that's my line. And I have a less than sign. Less than in this case is below the line. So all of my solutions for this second inequality are below my green line, okay? All of these are solutions to my second inequality. All right, so for the system as a whole, where are my solutions then? Well, my solutions are where you see the green and blue together. These are my solutions, okay? All right, so I can pick any point within this area and plug it into both inequalities, and it should be true if I did it correctly, okay? Also to note that this solid line from here on are solutions to both, but not this dashed line, okay? Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, just like always, let me know.